9 years, I wear Switzerland clothes. You understand me? We don't know about dressing. We don't know how to go out for people that love and look down and say, yes, that one is bad. Eh? Where you come from? Let me tell you something, artist. You know, pepper up on the step here, because you don't look good. You don't look like regular people. And that me I tell you now. Me have 51 years of age. That's where 50 and gone back a one. One again. You understand? Look how me look young and look fresh and look clean. And some of them look whole like a buckle. Some artists are just 25 and 21 and 22. I don't know how like a buckle you to shape up on yourself. Look like young people. No? I want them to know. Look how me look young and look like a one. Eh? I want them to know youth. Fix up on yourself, man. You don't come on stage and people in a show about the same clothes. Where you get that from? I don't have to own nobody clothes. Eh? We want to see artists that look like artists again and start artists that just like artists. And when they start look like artists and set like the artists, you know, start act like artists. So now